G'day, James here. My friend Aweber from Trinidad and Tobago has joined Wealthy Affiliate, and he's an action taker. Got to give him that. He's asked me a question. I told him to ask me if he gets stuck, and that's why I'm making this video. So, as you can see, he's asking about his Aweber. Hello Jimbo, I have an Aweber account and I don't know how to copy the link from the account to my Instagram so that people could be able to opt in and join my email list. They give me a link, but when I put it in my Instagram profile, the people get directed to the Aweber sign up page and not my email list sign in page. So I took it down. Can you give me any heads up on what to do? I am really new to marketing online. Thank you. So there you go. As promised, I told him I would make a video today, and that's what this video is all about today. Alright, so let me go ahead and close this tab. Right, we're going to need a couple of different things. Let me just get my little notepad up. Alright, close this so I can focus. Alright, we need to create a landing page. We need to create an opt-in form. We need our links. And is there anything else we need? I can't think right now, but I can add to that list later should we need to. So anyway, I'm already logged into my website, so I'm going to create a fresh landing page. Something else, yes, I've just remembered. Something to build a landing page with. Alright, there's lots of different options. Okay, let's open up the browser again. Right, here I am inside my Aweber, and there's an option here for sign-up forms. What I assume Aweber has done is actually gotten his affiliate link for Aweber to promote Aweber itself, rather than what he really wanted was his InstaPro Academy links. Now, these links are all different. There are 2 books to promote with InstaPro Academy. There is the software. There is the webinar to promote. There is the offer itself, which is the training. And then there is the affiliate recruitment link. Now, to test out what they are, you would click on any of these. This is what I do. So I would click on here. Right click and open in a new tab and then take a look at it, what it is. I didn't click on my affiliate link here, that's just the basic link. These are your affiliate links on the right hand side. Bear with me. Alright, so if I send somebody to this link, it will open up this page and it will be recorded as you being the affiliate. Okay? Right, what happens? So let me choose one of these to create a landing page for. Now, alright, I've actually got a landing page for quite a lot of these already. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to create a landing page for this. Actually, no, I'm going to create one for this because I've already got one for this. I don't want to create 2. Alright, so what I need to do is, first things first, copy my link, my affiliate link, and head on over to my notepad. There we go. Alright, so that's done. Let me just separate that. Keep myself organized. Now, back to the browser. What else do I need? I need to create an opt-in form. Alright, so I'm going to go over to Aweber. I should put this in order actually. So, get my links. I can actually close this tab now. No need for it to be open. I've got my link. Okay. Alright, here's Aweber. Now, we need to create an opt-in form code. Alright, so here we go. We go to here. We click on sign up forms. The window will refresh. We can open this here and click on sign up form. Now, this is like a blank template. So what I do in here, first of all, I'm going to put a tag in here. This is for my reference later, so I know which opt-in form it is. So I'm going to call it Instant Pro Training Course. Alright? So I know in the future which opt-in form this is. Now I'm going to delete some of the elements of this that I don't need, because they will not look good on my page, because I have a specific page builder. Alright, so now I've done that. So I need the name, I need the email, I need the sign up button. Save the form. Now go to step 2. Now it says form name, web form 13. Not the same as the tracking thing. So what I'm going to put in is the same. Okay. Now, the thank you page here is the essential element we are looking for. Remember that link that we got? That is the thank you page. Let me go get that link and copy this link. Now back into Aweber, and I'm going to click on here and custom page. And I'm going to paste that, my affiliate link. Okay? So this would apply to anything you're promoting. You would put your affiliate link in there. And you can click on Open New Window, and you can click on Advanced Settings. I usually do this option here as well. Alright, Start on Message. That is the first message in your autoresponder sequence. Hello, welcome, thanks for subscribing, etc. You know. Okay, so right, that's all done. So we save the form again, and then we go to step 3. Now you get 3 options. What you need is option 1. If you don't have a website, you would choose this option here, and Aweber would have the opt-in form hosted within the Aweber website. I don't like this one very much because it's not very pretty. It doesn't look very nice. It's very ugh. Okay, so anyway, I've got a website, so, and if you haven't got a website, I definitely recommend you go join Wealthy Affiliate. I'll leave a link below for that. and obviously I'll help you out when you get there. Alright, so click on I will install my form. See, this is the code we need, but we're going to have to click on raw HTML first, right, because I don't want JavaScript, I want raw HTML. And then you see this little check mark here. Get rid of that. That takes away all the form styles, which is just basically how the form looks. I want the form to look how my theme tells it to look. So basically this is a bare bones opt-in code. So I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to go back to my notepad, and then I'm going to for InstaPro training. Okay. Alright, believe it or not, we are actually about halfway through now. And it's not difficult at all. It's actually quite fun once you've done it a couple of times. Alright, now, do I need Aweber left open? Not really. I'm finished with it. I've got my opt-in code, I've created the form. Now it's to my website. Alright. Now I need to create a landing page. Now my particular website has a theme called Thrive Themes, and it has a landing page builder built into it. Now there are many options for landing page builders. One that I would get if I didn't have Thrive Themes, which costs me $228 a year, by the way. If I didn't have Thrive Themes, I would definitely go for InstaBuilder. Yeah, it's brilliant. I will leave a link for InstaBuilder below, and you can get InstaBuilder. It's a really good squeeze page, landing page, sales page creator. However, we're going to move forward with my landing page builder. Alright, so I need to create a new page. Now I need to give the page a name. I'm going to call it Instagram training. I'll call it that. Okay, it doesn't really matter what you're going to call it. All right. Default template here, I'm going to make it full width. I'm going to scroll down to my SEO plugin, and I'm going to make the page no follow and no index, because I don't want it to rank in Google. It's kind of a private page. Yeah, you don't want it being a part of your Google rankings. So Google will not index this page. It will ignore this page. It will not follow the links on this page. I'm going to not allow comments or trackbacks. I'm going to get rid of the sharing buttons. I'm going to hide the page title. I'm going to switch off the breadcrumbs. I'm going to click on no featured image. I'm going to turn off the sharing buttons. Alright, so we are just about ready to go. So I'm going to click on publish. Now this is where my landing page builder comes in. Now obviously if you haven't got Thrive Themes, which is quite expensive, $228 a year, you can get a cheaper option such as InstaBuilder 2. And it's very similar in what it does. Now, if you've got InstaBuilder 2 installed, the option would be over here to create a landing page. So, but mine is over here. So I'm going to edit this page with Thrive Architect, which is my landing page creator. Okay, so here we are inside the dashboard, and we're still on that page here, look, Instagram Training Academy. And we're going to make this page look like a nice squeeze page with an opt-in form here. Alright, so what we do is, first for me, I'm going to go to the page templates. I want a nice, simple template. I don't like anything too flash with a lot of fuss on it for squeeze pages. So I'm going to look to, I think there's one called Atomic that I like. Can you see it anywhere? Have I missed it? Alright, I'm going to filter by tags. Alright, one step. Alright, maybe lead generation, I think it's under there. Alright, we've got some nice simple ones here. I'm going to choose alright, let me see. This one is simple enough. Let's just make sure there's nothing very fussy. I think that one will do the trick actually. Atomic. Yeah. Alright, Atomic lead generation. That one for me. Choose the template. Instabuilder obviously has lots of other different templates. Each page builder will. Alright, nice, simple page. Yeah, all we have to do is edit it. Alright. So, what can we write in here? Some catchy headline. To take for massive results. Alright, so that will do for an example. As I'm filming this, I'm not really in thinking mode for the headline, so I'll just leave it at that. You get the idea. Is right here. Oh, I'll put that in some quotes. And I'll make that a bit smaller because it's a bit on the big side. That looks okay. The only... I'll change this to Instagram training. You need to take some you can come hugely successful online. The only Instagram, the only training successful online with Instagram. Right, the only training you need to take so that you can become hugely successful with Instagram. That's a sub-headline. Alright. Now, I have to put in here, this is a legal requirement. Type in the name of my website there. And I have to put in a privacy policy and a disclaimer. Unlink, don't know what it's linked to. Alright. HTTPS, which is my website. I already have an affiliate disclaimer page, so I'll just put the URL for that page into there and click on open in a new tab, no follow, and I'll update. Okay, so now if anybody clicks on that, it will open a new tab up here and they can read the affiliate disclaimer. Now, I mentioned also we need a privacy policy. I'm going to put that on there, and I'm going to put the little pipe option there, and I'm going to put privacy policy. And I'm going to do the same thing with that. So I'm going to select, click on insert link, open a new tab, no follow, HTTPS, my URL for my privacy policy page. Now it's worth taking into account that you need to have both of these links on any landing page you build. It's a legal requirement. If you don't, you can get into trouble. Okay, so all of your websites that you ever create should have a page called the affiliate disclaimer and should have a privacy policy page. Alright, so here we go. So now you can see we have two links. Now I'm not keen on the color there. Can I change the color? Seems I can. And this one. I'm just going to copy this color to make sure the other one is the same. I'm going to paste that color in there. These are all little tweaks that you can do yourself with your own landing page builder. Just make sure these links work. We'll preview the page. Okay, yeah, can you see bottom left of my browser here? It says affiliate disclaimer on it. I can click that, it will open in a new tab. And my affiliate disclaimer page will be displayed as required by law. Okay, close that, and the privacy policy one, check that. That one works as well. Okay, so we're all legal and above board now. Alright, the page is looking reasonably good. Okay, now we need to change this bit here. So back into the editor. Now, do you remember that opt-in code that we got and we pasted it on our notepad? Silly me, I didn't actually paste it, did I? Okay, no problem. Back into my Aweber. Go back to sign up forms. Now, where's the one I created most recently? Okay, here it is. I'm going to click on Edit. And I'm just going to click on through the Save 2 times and go to step 2. And I'm just going to make sure these options are still selected and my affiliate link is still in there. And I'm going to save the form again, and then I'm going to go to step 3 to get my code. And I'm going to click on Raw, and I'm going to remember to uncheck this. And I'm going to scroll right down to the bottom of this. Okay, and I'm going to grab all of this code all the way up to the top, making sure I haven't missed anything. Okay, the whole thing needs to come. Okay, now I can close my Aweber again. Alright, back to this opt-in page, remember. I'm going to click on here. Very similar with all landing page builders. You would click on the element that you want to edit. Connect form to service will be similar with all builders. I don't need to do the API connection. I want to use the HTML. Remember the HTML code? And I'm going to paste it into there. And continue. Have you seen the opt-in code has changed now? It's got name and email. That's because Aweber has overridden the standard default opt-in form here to what I want it to be. It did just say email before. I recommend you get their first name. Alright, now I'm just going to edit the opt-in box to make it a little bit more attractive. So I click on here. Alright, and then this is a required field here, name. I'm going to edit this to say first name. Okay, now I'm going to click on email and you should see that this will change. There you go. And click on required field and I'm going to type in best email. Alright, then I'm going to click off that. And now I'm going to change the color of my button. And I'm going to change the text as well. I don't like to say sign up. Update that. Okay, so just change the color. Here's the color. Alright, what should we have? Should we have an orange one? Have a blue one. I like this color blue, it's nice, isn't it? Alright. Make sure it's in the center. You can do lots of little tweaks. Change the font type, the font size. Change the button size, things like that. Now, bear in mind, you have to make sure that this page looks alright on mobile devices. I'll show you how to do that in a moment. Now, I think this text here is too big. I want to make it smaller. And I also want to push that text down. I don't like how high up it is. Right, so what I do to do that is I click before the text there and I just press enter a few times. And that takes everything. Oop. I made a boo-boo. Okay. That looks better. Now, let's have a preview of the page as it would look on desktop. The Instagram training you need to take for massive results is here. It's right here. The only training you need to take so that you can become hugely successful with Instagram. Alright, so we can actually test the form. Testing, and my test email at gmail.com. All caps is on. Now when I click on here, I'm going to change that green actually, I don't like it. When I click on here after entering details, to know that it worked, it's got to go to what I am promoting. It could be any affiliate link. Now, watch how. Does it work? Alright, go back again, close that. Alright. Alright. Well, that didn't work. I've just done something wrong. Jimmy test. Right. Jimmy. At Gmail. Okay, let's see if this one works. Okay, that's okay. Looks like it's working. And that should now go to, in our case, InstaPro Academy, to, why is it giving me it twice? That's unusual. Spinning around. Now something's gone wrong there, so what I'll do is I'll go back into my Aweber. This does not usually happen. It's very strange how this has happened just because I'm recording a video. Typical, isn't it? Alright, sign up forms. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to create a brand new form very quickly. I'm going to go back into there, I'm going to get my affiliate link, show you how quickly this can actually be done. Alright, I'm going to delete all the elements I do not want. Okay, I'm going to give it a name. Insta Pro Academy Training. Alright, make it different to the last time. All the elements I don't want are deleted. Save the form. Go to step 2, give it a name. Insta Pro Training, different to last time. Thank you page. Paste in my affiliate link. I'm going to leave that option off this time. Welcome message 1, that's okay. Go to step 3. Install my form. Raw HTML. Uncheck that. Copy the form code. That's all copied. Back to my page. Edit with Thrive. Into my opt-in form. Edit the code. replace that, clear it out, make sure it's completely blank, and copy and paste. Okay, continue and save the page. Just align that and then save the page. Test number 2. I'm going to exit this page this time so you actually see the full page. Okay, this has reset itself, never mind, I'm still going to test. Okay. Hopefully, fingers crossed, keep your fingers crossed. Voila. I don't know why it didn't work the first time, but things go wrong, and this will happen. Never mind, just fix it. Alright, so there you go. Instapro Academy, and this is the way it goes. Very nice, very easy. Okay, so I'll leave some links for tools just below the video on this page. The recommended tools that I would use. Obviously, if you're a wealthy affiliate, you need to be premium actually to create really nice landing pages, because the basic websites don't have the functionality that you will need. So I do recommend you go premium. I'll leave a link to Wealthy Affiliate below, so you can join and you can ask me questions there, get my help. Just like I'm helping Aweber, who has just joined about 6 hours ago and asked me a question instantly. That's what I like. People who are engaged, they crack on, they get on with the work to be done, and they don't expect everything to be done for them. They just get on with it and do the training. Now let me go back into Wealthy Affiliate. There we go. And we go to history. Still loading in. I think there's something wrong with my browser today, and that's why the opt-in code didn't work. It's very slow. Alright, so we go to history here. Process profile. Okay, Aweber. Still spinning. Alright. Okay. So that's what I mean. If you join Wealthy Affiliate, I say I'm going to help you. That's what I do. It's my job. So it's not just benign messages in the emails I'm sending. When I say I'm going to help, I do. And that is why you should definitely join Wealthy Affiliate. It is my #1 recommendation. You can learn how to make money online there, and it can be very, very profitable if you stick it out and you do the training and you work on it every day. So let me just update this page. So let me just update this page on my website. Blimey, it really is slow. Alright, now, next step is quite simple really. You view the page. Now remember, I wanted to change the font and the text on here and have this say first name. That's because I changed the opt-in code. It reset it. Never mind, I will sort that out later, and I will edit this to make it something better later on. But basically, that is it done. The landing page works, the squeeze page works. All we need to do is get our link. Now, I would copy it. I would go to a website called bit.ly.com, or tinyurl is another one. But I recommend bit.ly actually, because you can do the tracking. You can see how many clicks you've had. So anyway, you post this link, you paste it in there, sorry, and you make it a smaller link. Alright, so there's the link. Alright, in bit.ly you can actually customize this section here. You can say, change that to Instagram training, or anything that reflects what it is that people are clicking on. So I recommend tiny URL only if you can't use bit.ly. Alright, so what I've got to do is I've got to get my link here, copy to clipboard. I've got to go to my notepad, landing page link. Alright, now there is only one more step to do, and that is to put this link that you have created, which is your landing page, onto your Instagram profile. And as you know, that is very simple to do. You just log in and you edit your profile and you put your link in there. Now here's an example of what happens when people click on my bio of this account. I have a lot of accounts actually. They go to my Instagram checklist. You may have already seen that if you've signed up to my email list through this. Okay, so that's how I do it. All very simple really. So any questions, send me a message inside Wealthy Affiliate and I'll get back to you. I hope you found this training useful, and you'll find it's really easy to do once you're up and running. You can actually do all of what I've done in about 5 minutes. When you get up and running and you've practiced a little bit, it really is fast. But as I was making a video and I had a small hiccup with my opt-in form there, I had to do that twice, remember? It took me 45 minutes almost. So anyway, hope you enjoyed. I'll see you again next time. Have a great day. Bye bye.